Welcome to my channel $T Valuable Coins. So get it started.
The euro currency was introduced in 2002 across many European Union countries, replacing national currencies. Ireland adopted the euro and stopped using the Irish pound, also called the punt. This means the 2003 2-cent coin is from the second year of official euro circulation in Ireland. Although it's a very small denomination, this coin is an important part of Ireland's monetary history. The Irish 2-cent coin features the Celtic harp, which is the official national symbol of Ireland. Around the harp is the inscription eIRe, which is the Irish word for Ireland. The year 2003 is also shown. Surrounding the design are 12 stars, representing the European Union. The harp has been used as a symbol of Ireland for centuries, appearing on Irish coats of arms, manuscripts, and traditional Irish instruments. The reverse side of the 2-cent coin is common across all Eurozone countries. It shows a globe in the lower right, highlighting Europe's position in the world. To the left are the 6 fine lines, white stars, representing the EU. The denomination, 2 eurocent, is written clearly. The design was created by Lucy, a Belgian artist whose initials LL can be found near the globe. Value 0.02 euro 2 cents. Weight 3.06 grams. Diameter 18.75 millimeters. Thickness 1.67 millimeters. Edge smooth with a continuous groove around it to help the visually impaired. Metal composition, copper-plated steel, gives it a reddish copper color. Even though it looks like solid copper, it is actually steel with a thin copper coating. This was done to reduce minting costs. In 2003, millions of 2-cent coins were minted for Ireland, but exact mintage numbers are smaller compared to bigger denominations. Most coins were made for circulation, meaning you can still find them in your pocket change today across Ireland and even other Euro countries. However, coin collectors also received brilliant uncirculated and proof sets in 2003, which makes certain examples more desirable. Now let's talk about what collectors really want to know: the value. Circulated condition, usually worth face value, about 2 euro cents. Uncirculated coins, shiny, never used, around 1 to 2 euros. Proof coins, special sets made for collectors, can be worth 5 to 10 euros or more depending on condition and demand. Rare varieties. Some collectors look for errors and varieties. Possible error types include off-center strikes, double dies, misaligned harp designs, wrong planchet errors. Such rare errors can dramatically increase the value, sometimes from a few cents up to tens or even hundred of euros, depending on rarity. The 2-cent 2003 coin is not just money. It's a symbol of Ireland's identity within Europe. The harp reminds people of Ireland's rich cultural heritage, traditional music, and folklore. The year 2003 marks Ireland's early participation in the Euro project. Even though it's small in size, this coin connects Ireland to millions of people across Europe. Check condition, shiny, uncirculated coins are more valuable. Look for proof sets they have mirror-like finishes. Search for errors rare mistakes make coins far more valuable. Store carefully copper-plated steel coins. Can rust if exposed to moisture. Use coin flips or capsules. Did you know? Ireland chose only one design for all its euro coins, the harp. Unlike other countries that use multiple designs, Ireland wanted a single unifying national symbol. The edge groove on the 2-cent helps blind people distinguish it from the smooth 1-cent coin. Many countries want to stop using 1 and 2-cent coins because they cost more to make than their face value. The harp shown on the Irish euro coins is based on the Brian Boru harp, a famous medieval instrument now kept in Trinity College, Dublin. This harp is one of the oldest surviving Gaelic harps, dating back to the 14th or 15th century. The harp is not only on coins, but also on the official seal of the President of Ireland, Irish passports, and even the Guinness beer logo. Why Ireland chose only one design? Most euro countries use different designs for each denomination. Ireland decided to use the same harp design for all 1 cent to 2 euro coins. This was to keep the national identity simple, clear, and instantly recognizable. Worldwide production and minting facts. All Irish euro coins are produced by the Irish Mint in Sandyford, Dublin. The mint is operated by the Central Bank of Ireland. In 2003, minting was slightly lower than 2002 because the euro had already entered circulation and people already had enough coins. Circulation and use in daily life. The 2-cent coin is small, so it is often overlooked or even left unused in wallets and drawers. Many shops in Ireland and other euro countries have rounding rules, where totals are rounded to the nearest 5 cents, which makes the 1 cent and 2-cent coins less important. This makes them more interesting for collectors in the future, because fewer are being used. Environmental side. The coin is made of copper-plated steel. Over time, the copper layer can wear away, exposing the steel underneath. When this happens, the coin may look spotted or rusty. That's why good preservation is important for collectors. International collecting. Even though it's an Irish coin, you can find the 2003 2-cent coin across Europe. Since euro coins circulate freely in all Eurozone countries, collectors outside Europe, especially in the US and Asia, are very interested in Irish euro coins because of the harp design and Ireland's cultural appeal. Potential future rarity. If Ireland or the European Union decides to remove 1 and 2-cent coins from circulation, then the 2003 2-cent coin could become more collectible, as it will no longer be produced for daily use. Some countries like Finland and the Netherlands already discourages using these small coins. Comparison with other 2003 2-cent coins. 2 euro cent 2004.